In this video, we will demonstrate how to use the pipe weight volume function of PPI's Building and Construction Division Plastic Pipe Design Calculator. After entering the calculator and agreeing to the End User License Agreement, which I've done, simply click on the blue function button on the left margin that says Pipe Weight Volume, and it will open that function. For the example we're going to do, it's going to be a geothermal application with plastic pipe in a vertical borehole. So to make sure that we have access to the right piping materials and the right fluid materials, we're going to check the box to indicate that this is a geothermal application. The piping material is going to be high-density polyethylene of the type PE 4710. It's going to be IPS size pipe in accordance with ASTM D3035 and CSA B137.1. Those are the plastic pipe standards for this type of pipe. The wall type is going to be SDR11, which is commonly used in vertical boreholes for ground source geothermal systems. And the design is planning to use 1-inch nominal diameter pipe. As you can see, an image of high-density polyethylene pipe is shown here in the image, confirming that I selected the right material. And if I wanted to read more about this pipe material at this point, I can click the link to go to the PPI BCD webpage, all about HDPE pipe for geothermal applications. Scrolling down just a little bit, my borehole is 300 feet deep in this example, so that means there's going to be a total of 600 feet of pipe down and back the borehole. So I simply type in 600 feet there, and if I want to know the volume of the pipe, I need to select the type of fluid that I'm going to be using, and then the calculator will help me determine how much antifreeze mixture I need to mix with my water. One of the new features for the calculator in 2022 is the addition of methanol fluid types, which are sometimes used in ground source geothermal systems. But in this example, we're going to be doing an example of 30% propylene glycol for our antifreeze product in our fluid. From there, we simply click the blue calculate button to get our results. And what it shows is, for this 600 feet of 1-inch SDR11 PE 4710 material, the dry weight of that pipe is 121 pounds. When it's filled with the fluid, including 30% propylene glycol, it will be 354.5 pounds. That'll be the total weight. The volume of fluid in the pipe, total volume, is 27.2 US gallons, or 103.1 liters. And the volume of the mixture fluid, which in this case is the propylene glycol, is 8.2 US gallons. So for mixing my fluid, that's how much propylene glycol I'll need to add into my water. If you want to see the calculation details for how this math was calculated, click on the calculation details button in the lower left, and that'll open a window showing the formulas that were used for these calculations. And all the piping information is average dimensional values per the product standards that we mentioned before. To share this result with somebody, you have a couple of options. You can print the result. If you click print, it'll open up your print function on your computer. You can print it to paper or to a PDF file and save it if you like. I'm not going to do that now. You may also want to email this information to yourself or to somebody else. If you click on the email button, it'll allow you to enter in an email address. In the blank, my email address is already pre-filled in there because I'm the last person who I sent an email to from the calculator, and then you hit send. And now it's been sent. So straightforward using this function within the calculator. We hope you enjoyed this video. Once you've had a chance to use the calculator, please take 2 minutes to do the survey on the right-hand margin and let us know how the calculator is working for you. Thanks for watching this video.